let me show you why. This house is worth $235,000, where I took a loan out for $135,000. I'm refined, living off the interest. Oh my God, I'm the builder, the buyer, and the bank on this transaction. So come on the inside as I give you the information on how I did it all, why I'm doing it, and the outcome of it all. Let's go. Really get a look at this electrical lighting on the outside of the house, the way I put stone over here. I got that on my YouTube channel. Make sure you look at that. I put stone on this right here. I went with white windows. We'll talk about the landscaping. This is a well-crafted product, if I do say so myself. And I'm not trying to be funny or nothing like that, but I really want y'all to know that take pride in your work, and everything will come your way. I'm renting this property out for $1,700 a month. I want to say my underlying mortgage PITI on this would be about right at $1,000. So I'm making about $700 a month, but I'm doing it for the next 360 months if I choose so. Then on top of that, I'm making money on the refinance, because we all know a $200,000 house doesn't cost $200,000 to build. So come on the inside and I'll show you some more things and we'll talk a little bit more. Mailbox. Hello, who's home? Lakeith, that's who. So I went with black on this door to pop up against the white, the light color stone on the outside. If you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you'll see I got a YouTube video about bricks and stones and how to get the colors all together. I got a lot of information on the YouTube channel. Come in the inside, I finished the walls out with a neutral color. So you see the white up against the baseboards. I went with high baseboards, as you see, just to give it a little bigger pop. Now most houses have shorter baseboards. You've been in homes like this, where the baseboard is probably about this high. Now think about how that looks versus how this looks. And it doesn't really cost me probably $50 more, but look at the vibe in the whole house. Look at the borders around the door. Let me close this. So look how that flows. Look at all this. Look at the lighting. I got LED lighting in here. Let's go to the master. Come on in here. Let's go to the master bedroom. Look at the borders. Look at the walls. Get a shot of that. Come on in. We got fresh carpet. Check out, I got the lines in the carpet. You know it's legit when you see that. Somebody just vacuumed this, so nobody's even walked on this. So this is all new. That's what that means. So as you see, I got the lines in there. Everything's brand new. Come inside the bathroom. Let me show you what I got going on. So I don't have the mirror in here. Please don't get mad at me for that. I want you to be able to see yourself. Everything's gonna match. Boom. All the lights. So when you come in here, I have the mirror in here. I want to point out something. For all investors, whether you're rehabbing or building new construction, make sure your stuff is uniform. I went with a real shiny chrome finish on everything on all my finishes. Bathroom, look at this tub right here with a piece on the back. Real efficient. Well, I'm going to do a YouTube video breaking down budget sheets and what the cost for all this costs and how to make it work and how to make it work for you. What I mean by that is the fact of, when I say live off this asset, so you heard of BRRRR. This is BRRRR, more B's, because not only do I buy, I build. So it's a lot different and it's a lot more to it. When you refi, you can get a lot more for your bang for your buck if you build, especially if you know your numbers and you're building for the right cost. This property here alone, a refinance, let's say it's worth 200 grand, it's actually worth 225. I refi at 80% of 200 is 160, but how much did it cost me to build this property? About 140 grand. So who keeps the 20? Me, that's who. So learn your numbers, learn how they work and how to make them work for you. I'm gonna help you out. I know you see the whole shebang, you see the Versaces and the Rolexes and all that, but it comes from hard work. It comes from a lot of information. Hold on, before y'all leave, I want y'all to come check out this closet in here. So, right here, I think I got a light, let me see. What's a closet without a light? Bam! Gotta be able to see your shoes. Gotta be able to have all your Louboutins up here, your Alexander McQueens, everything. You gotta show up, man, and show up in the city. From the young P. Diddy, man, Lakeith, can you get with me? I'm building houses and I'm buying land. So if you got it, please click the link below and let's go. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on all social media platforms. Now, let's go out here to bedroom number 2. No, matter of fact, before we go there, let's go to the kitchen. So, I want you to see this breakfast nook right here. All this area right here, we close this door right here. All this area, you can have a little table right here, you can sit, you can eat, you can do what you gotta do. Come in here, we got all kind of electronics in here. We're gonna move this stuff out the way and give y'all, oh man, that's kind of heavy. I'll let you do that. But anyway, as you come inside the kitchen, we got the stainless steel microwave. You know we got the appliances on deck. Looking real good. Brand new, no crumbs in there. I know how some of y'all are. Some of y'all living like you got rice and peas and all that kind of stuff. This is brand new. Everything brand new in this product. Look at that, voila. You like that, huh? I know you do. You see that? I don't know if that's blue or purple, but whatever it is, it looks great. And you should put that in your product as well. As another thing you should look at is these cabinets. These are shaker cabinets. I actually got them from Lowe's. You should check them out. They're real nice. I did a piece on cabinets as well on my YouTube channel. So be sure you subscribe and look for that video. Also right here, I went with granite countertops. Definitely check that out. Real good thing right here. Refrigerator, it works too. It's icy, it's cold in here. Not only that, boom, refrigerator works too. So everything is working here. Electricity works. Come on through here out the kitchen. Let's check out the pantry. Man, I'm getting hungry just sitting in here right now thinking about it. We got a pantry right here. We got paint. Oh, I turned out the light. Come in here. Washroom. Dryer, washer, dryer, whichever way it goes. As we turn around here, we got the water heater right here. This is a 1-car garage. I went with a 1-car garage only because the build line, this is a 50 by 150 lot. What I mean by that is 50 feet on the width, and the build lines, you had to be 5 feet in on both sides. So I had to build a house that was 40 feet wide. And in the city of Dallas right now, you're required to have a parking spot. So I had to make a garage. So at the end of the day, I had to take some room in order to make some room. So, you know, in order for it to fit. So if you're building homes in Dallas-Fort Worth or wherever you're building, remember to stay within your guidelines or whatever. This is what I came up with, and I hope you like it. Come on in. I did forget to talk about the sink. Let's go over that. The sink is looking good. We got the dishwasher right here. Everything brand new. All good. Come over here. Oh man, we gotta come on the outside. Let's go to the bedroom number 2. Before we go to bedroom number 2, let's look at the bathroom. Check out this bathroom. Now I got my mirror. Can't talk about it no more. So I got my mirrors in here. Everything is still uniform. Still with the same stainless steel through here. The mirror, nice vanity. To be honest with you, I got this vanity from Lowe's, man. Looks expensive, right? But I probably paid toilet right here. Same plate on the deal as far as the, I'm turning this fan off. As far as, I want to point something out too. Laminate all throughout this house. The flooring is immaculate. Everything is the way it's supposed to. Check it out. It's clean. Real brand new. This is for real. You come in right here. Let me show you with the view that you have, because I got this new landscaping out here. Boom. I didn't always know how to let those blinds up like that. I'll be honest with you. The first time I saw that, I was looking for the string on the other side, but they said they don't do that anymore. We don't put strings on blinds. Okay, well, there it is. So as you look outside, you see the landscaping. Oh, I did do a YouTube video on landscaping, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out those videos that I did on landscaping before and after. It's real interesting. Come in here, I got bedroom number 3. More lines. You see that? Everything is clean. Everything is clean in this house. It's a brand new structure. Not playing no games. If you see value where others don't, you can really win. You can really win. And that's really what I'm here for, man. AVE, attention, value, and entertainment, man. I'm trying to give you the best I got, the best way I can to let y'all know this is really real, man. This real estate stuff is a lot of fun. I'll be honest with you. Look at me. Man, I don't get on any roofs. I don't lay carpet. I don't do HVAC. I don't do none of that. But I control the money. And I make the money do what I want it to do, and this is what I want it to do. I want it to build something for me. And you can control your money as well and make it build something for you too. All you gotta do is just see it in your head and make the concept a reality, man. Come on, man, let's walk through here. As you go through the house, my HVAC, let's go outside. Let me show y'all this right here in the backyard. I'm gonna put my glasses on. So, as you come on out, boom. So don't get mad, the sun is not all down, but you get the idea. I got my AC unit, and you see this cage. This is a cage, and there's a reason for this cage, because we are in certain neighborhoods. So you want to be able to secure your product. You want to be able to secure your asset. You want to be able to secure your investment. And this is the best way to do it. So I have drill holes in this, so an individual can't just snatch your unit and take off and go. You gotta be smart with it. So as you come around here, let me show you this so you can see what it looks like when it's finished. That's what it's gonna look like when it's all said and done. It's gonna look like that one right there. Oh, it's fine. With the thing and all that on there. So my landscape shop is out right here. It's covered over with bushes right now, but it is really nice. I'm gonna cut this tree. I haven't done it yet, but I do have I did a piece about this, about roofing. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Look at this. We got Corona in the yard. Yeah, man. It's like when you're on the end of a busy street, though. So keep that in mind. But you can make it work, though. I really enjoy what I do, man. I really do. So much that I want to bring it to you and show you on YouTube everything that I got going on, man. I want to be the best at being myself. And this is what allows me to help me be myself, is to keep my money working. Just like, because you like spending. Don't say you don't. But guess what? You got to work with something that can spend more than you. And the money can work harder for you than you can ever do for it. At the end of the day, each one of these homes, $1,700 a month. $1,700 a month. That I did something one time that I can get paid for the rest of my life. Like, you think I'm buying this stuff? Nah, that's the life we want to live, but everybody's not putting in the work. Or maybe you're just not being shown how to do it, and that's what I want to show you, is exactly how to make it all happen. In real life, and definitely in real life, because this is me, this is mine, this is what it is from a real investor in real estate. Keep click the link below.